Welcome to the Creating Ordering Questions in the Question Library demo. First, log in to your Desire to Learn account and go into your course. On the course navigation bar, click on the Assessments link. Notice the icons with the options that you have on the assessment tool. Click on the Question Library icon. Now we are going to create new questions in this section. Click on the section name. From the Create New drop-down menu, click on the type of question you want to create. To create an ordering question, pick that option and click the Go button. You can leave the title of the question blank. Doing so will make the question's text show up as the title. You can leave the points value set to 1. This number can be changed later when you create your assessment. Click in the question text field and enter your question. Example: put these in order for submitting an assignment. If you want to add an image to go along with this question, click on the Add a File button. Locate the image on your computer using the Browse button and click the Upload button. For grading, you have the options of equally weighted, all or nothing, or right minus wrong. If you want the question graded as the student either got it right or wrong, use the all or nothing choice. If you want the question graded with partial credit, use one of the other two options. In the value column, you enter the answers in the correct order. If you wish to give feedback at the end of the assessment, you may enter the feedback next to each choice. Example: Dropbox, homework folder, add a file, browse, use the add item text to add values, submit. Here is a grading example. This is a question with 5 choices, and let's say the student answered 3 of them correctly. Using the all or nothing choice, the answer is either all correct or wrong. The student didn't get all of the answers, so he would score a 0 for this question. For the other 2 options, the student can get partial credit. Each question choice is worth 1/5 of the points because there are 5 answers. In this example, of the 5 possible answers, the student chose 3 right answers and 2 wrong answers. Using the right minus wrong option, the student will score 3/5 minus 2/5, equaling 1/5 of the points for that question, which is 20%. Using the equally weighted option, the student will score only the right answers, or 3/5 of the points, which is 60%. If you wish to give feedback to all students at the end of the assessment about this question, enter feedback into the question feedback box. Click on the preview button to see what the question will look like to the student. Click the Go Back button to return to the question. When you are finished making changes, click on the Save button in the top or bottom right hand corner, and you will return to the section list. If you want to create another question very similar to this one, click on the Save and Copy button. That will save this question and create another one with all of this question's information so that you can edit this information instead of retyping it again. If you want to create another question of this same type, click on the Save and New button. That will save this question and give you a new blank question of this question type. You have now successfully created an ordering question in the question library.